Hi friends, how are you doing? Before we start, I have a query for you. When you explain something to someone, are your explanations clear and easy to understand? Did you say yes? It means that your explanations are lucid. Well, you understood it correctly. In this series of new words, today's word is lucid. Let's see how we spell lucid and how to pronounce it. We spell it as L-U-C-I-D and pronounce it as lucid. Lucid. Here are some common meanings of lucid. Lucid means very clear and easy to understand. Plain, evident, obvious. For example, a lucid explanation, a lucid prose, a lucid account. Its other meaning is able to think clearly and clear-headedly. A lucid moment in his madness. Then there is another meaning which means bright or luminous. For example, birds dip their wings in the lucid flow of air. Now let's see how we can use lucid in sentences. Lucid explanations are most helpful for understanding complex concepts. Although the lecture was long, the main points remain lucid and straightforward. It was a lucid dream, half awake, half asleep. A writer must write in a clear and lucid style. His prose is always lucid and compelling. He gave a clear and lucid account of her plans for the company's future. His explanation was lucid and to the point. Although doctors gave the patient strong medicine to relieve him of his pain, he still remained lucid throughout his treatment. He was able to recognize his wife even in his lucid moments. So these are the kinds of examples that we can refer while using the word lucid in our pronunciation. So what are you waiting for? Let's start using lucid in our day-to-day conversations. Happy learning!